Hi, and welcome back. How do you declare variables? To declare variables, you have different ways you can do it. In JavaScript, you can declare variables using the var keyword. You can also declare variables without using any keyword. And you can declare using the let keyword. So you can say var x is equals to whatever. In this case, this has been instantiated, but I will come to that later on. In this case, there is no keyword here. So this gives rise to what we call a global variable. So if you declare a variable without using any keyword, in this case, it will give you a global variable that can be accessed out of the scope of where this is. You'll see this in future and understand it better. And then we have the let. Now this is new in ECMAScript 2015. So that means it's not supported in some browsers as of now, but implementations are ongoing. So in future versions of web browsers, most of these features will be supported that are new in year 6. And as I said earlier on, in one of the earlier videos, I'm using the MDN JavaScript documentation, which is written based on the latest draft of JavaScript, which is ECMAScript 2017. So there are certain features that we are going to encounter from ECMAScript 2015 as well as from ECMAScript 2017. And the good thing about the MDN documentation is that they are labeled. So when we get there, I look at them and see what they say about each of the ones that are marked, and I will communicate the same to you. Okay, so we have variables declared using the var keyword without any keyword and the let keyword. So the difference between this and this is in scoping. So we'll talk about variable scopes. Basically, scope means where it has effect. Within which block does that particular variable has effect. So that is scope, and we'll look at variable scopes later on. So I don't like to make really long videos, so I'm going to end this video here, and then in the next video I'm going to talk about variable instantiation and also about variable declaration. So you declare and instantiate. In this case, I declare the variable and I did instantiate it at the same time. So in the next video, let's look at how you can do without instantiating the variable. See you then.